Huh?
record. Yeah.
Did you have a good trip?
Yes.
Beautiful.
Yeah. The,
Wooden,
the colors are so spectacular this year. Yeah.
Where is the machine?
It's over here.
Okay.
My wife has charge of the upstairs, which is immaculate. I have charge of the downstairs, which is kind of like a maze. So
Yeah. Main cave.
yeah. This is the beast.
Beast. Wow. Good morning. Today I want to review VariTyper model 1010. It's very rare typewriter using the electronic. First look at the shape. I think right now it's fully functional, but I don't know exactly 100%, but as I know it works perfect. So back shape is curved, very beautifully curved. This is the tap steps, right? Okay. It's a power cord here, and then this one is the it's 4 different lengths of the 1/9. So I will show you later, maybe next video. And then this is for the choice for standard or justified function. So one for the justified, one for the standard function. And then you see the like this. Then this is the for the one for the feed up, one for the feed down, the roller, paper roller. And then this is the line, how much you wanna feed up, feed down. You can change this one. And then this is not a platen, is a paper feed roller. So there is no platen because this type is behind this. You can see the hammer and then ribbon shield, and then this is for the letter shuttle holder. So different function. There's a whole different keys. This is impression, and then this is we can 1-inch space go right side, and then figure capital, it locks, and then tab, it's a backspace, but it's a 3-inch means previous letter, the 1-inch is like a little bit the left side, something like that. Then same thing. And then this is printing motion. It's a not printing motion. This is related to this one. You can hold like this. That means we change the C, right? Before it was a T. I will change it like a P. Then it can be B, and then one more. It can be A, something like that. This called the margin dial. This called the justifier dial. It's very hard to understand these two stuff. That's my homework. And then we'll take off this one. This cover. Hold. Right now I take off the front cover. One of the most powerful thing of this typewriter is we can exchange this letter shuttles. You know, the IBM Selectric typewriter, they have balls, right? I'll show you. For the individual, they have a hold like this, the ball, and then also, okay, I have a bunch of other stuff to show you. For the, yeah, like this is IBM Selectric. They keep the ball like this case or by individual. Exactly same with the VariType letter shuttles. I show you. Okay. This is for the individual case, right? For the letter shuttle, there is a name and then number. Like this one is 670D. Cap height. There is all said is a capital height 6.2 or maybe something, but also they have like a whole back like this. Of course I have another one. Yeah, I bought these two from the eBay auction. There is another story about this. Actually, I uploaded this typewriter for the antique typewriter collector group of Facebook, and then later I found this one on the eBay. They are on auction. They started at 99 cents. So that's, I thought, I made a mistake because the member of the antique typewriter collector is more than 16,000. I don't know. Yeah, more than 16,000. So some people wanted to buy this one. So, but anyway, I beat. So I got this one yesterday. So that's why I wanted to make video. Anyway. So this typewriter's most powerful things, we can change the typeface. See, a lot of different typefaces. Some is Italy. Also, another thing we can use the black one. This one, I have another one in my pocket. This is a vertical script from the Hammond for the manual VariTyper. Also, you can use this one to here. But reverse case, this one, I don't think so. I tried to the manual Hammond and then VariTyper, folding VariTyper, but it's something wrong. It's shaped a little bit different this size, or we can use some adjust or cleaning. I tried to manually, it works. But it's very, how can I say, very short stuff. So we need to maybe adjust to use this one for the manual Hammond and then VariTyper. But reverse case, from the Hammond or VariTyper, they use the black one. It works the same thing, exactly works. No, you don't need any adjust. Of course, we need a lot of adjust. We need to use this one. The differentiate, standard, out. The choice is the vertical, letter by letter, space. They can change it. This is for the just its height. This one, depending on the height, and then we can see the difference. Okay, I will show you later also this one. Anyway, and then this typewriter also uses another language. As you know, the carriage movement, it's depending on the language. Some it's after hit the button, still the carriage does not move. For example, the Korean language or Hebrew language or Spanish, some the point, what is it called, the accent tag, and after hit that button key, still the carriage does not move. So for that, there is another option. For example, we can take off this part, and then depending on the language, we can switch this one. I will show you the yeah. For English, like this. Also, they can be changed the keyboard because the different language. The inside, like this one. I already try change this one and then test it works. So we can take off this one after move this one, and then hold this one, and then take off old one, and then we can use a new one like this. So for example, if we want to use the Korean language, then we need to change this one. Absolutely. For Hebrew, same thing. Also for Hebrew, normally we hit any key, the carriage move like a right to left, but Hebrew is different. Hebrew carriage is move left to right. So absolutely they switch to the behind also. But for the Korean language or maybe Spanish, other language, we need to change this stuff. I don't know what is called this one, but specifically I have English one. There is this is also English, but two different version English. And then I have another one. This is caps and then small caps. See? Yeah. I also try this one. It works. Yeah. That's a very powerful thing of this typewriter. Okay. And then we can. I have a lot of the this one. The supplier. This one for the using the ribbon change. Also, this ribbon is a special. It's a carbon, so we can take off this guard, and then we can change the ribbon. Okay, this part is easy, but this part from shed from here to here, and the end of user going down. Okay, also you need we'll see which, if we keep this the used one, we'll see what was typed. There is a whole what is called is we can see who typed what. Something like that, right? Okay, this is carbon. I try to find this one. It's very hard to find this day the carbon ribbon. It's like I'll show you. See? Like this. It's a new one. I have some couple. I bought this typewriter from the Bishop. He was a really gentleman. So he give a lot of extra stuff. This one, and then extra ribbon, and then the extra letter shuttle, and then also he give the bunch of the shield, and then the history. Even though he kept the newspaper copy, the owner of the VariTyper, his name is R.C. Coxhead, died, made VariTyper. It's 1951 February 8th, New York Times. See, he got everything. Also, it's not a woman's body, but it's a manual. Okay. He also gave me a lot of the guide about the typeface. This one, and then another. This one is a bunch of huge. I read some of them. It said they can use the over 100 different typeface and language together. Over 100. So there are a lot of the different typeface, and then some the sample of the letters. I have like right now I have like very close to the 50 different typeface. Then this one is also different one. Yeah. So that's the one of the very popular one. Okay, it's what is next? I can show you how to feed the paper, and then the return key, how to work this one, feed it up, feed it down, and then what else? Okay, and then what is the difference to this one, and then what is the difference to this one? I'll show you. Wait a minute. For turn on the power, on the bottom there is one switch. Maybe you can see this one. If you hit the upward, then power on. Okay, let's see. See, the power on. And then I'll show you the behind how this belt works. Okay. Okay. So behind there's a motor. Okay, that's the motor, and then two main belts, this one and this one, and this is for the ribbon, I think ribbon spool, and then there is one shredder. This is for the, I think, line speed up for the return button. Okay, so it looks like one print. Like I visited a long time ago printing company. Yeah, their badge looks like this. For the feed the paper, there is this button, like this one, and then like this one. After that, behind here. Okay. I use it on one hand, you see. So that's why, yeah, like this. And then we can move with some certain points, but depending on this one set up like this one, and then like this one. So I use this, and then this side like this means it's paper going up. Okay, and then the change like this, that means paper going down. See? Yeah, that's different. So in order to use, then we switch to like this one. That means after the next button, the paper a little bit up. I'll show you. Okay. See? Yeah, like this. Okay, and then there is no shuttle that side, so I want to put one shuttle. Okay, let's see. I put like a different shape, and then I changed this margin to the large one, and then sample typing. Okay, capture. Have a nice hay. Where is it? Okay. Try it again. Okay. Okay, I need to study more about this stuff, and then this one. Also, the previous owner, Bishop, he said he found another book about this, and then he will mail it to me. So after receiving the mail, I study more, and then I make another video. Anyway, this is really like one of the beasts. See? So far, I think as I know, it's working perfect, but what I need to study more. How can I adjust? Oh, yeah, so let's see, this one, okay, and then this one. I changed this one little bit small space. And then let's see the have a nice day. Okay. Nice. And then you see the difference. Okay. See, it's a very space is narrow, right? Okay. So you can change it using this one. Also, you can change this one. Okay. Like this standard and then layout means we can change this height. So right now I put the a little bit higher one. So that means good for me, I guess, like this. Let's see. Let's see this one how okay. A little bit down, and then see. See. See, it's the previous one have a nice day. There is a lot of space, but after change it, it's very smaller. Especially look at the day, totally different, right? So we can change the space using this one, also using this one. This up. There is using this one. Okay. Anyway. I need to study a lot. Okay, thank you for watching.